Hey guys,
Chico
what's up?
playing in the
I
rain.
thought I'll show you a quick little video of my squirrel monkey Chico playing in the rain. As you can see, he's got his little house in there to go inside, but he don't want to go in. He seems to be enjoying the rain. You liking that, ain't you, Chico? You like the rain? Yeah? You like the rain? It's as though he's asking me to come in the enclosure and join him. I do want to get wet, Chico. I do want to get wet. Yeah? You enjoying that? You like that, Chico? Yeah, there you are.
You okay,
Fresh all
Chico,
the
in the
rain
rain?
off you. Well, it's not raining very heavy.
Oh, look how wet you are.
I suppose you'd have this in the
On your
wild
box.
if you had out in the jungle.
Go in your box.
Have some rain on you. Seems to be enjoying himself. He's got a little
in the rain.
side entrance where you can go inside his heated box if you don't like the rain, but as you can see,
rain?
he prefers to be out in the rain. You like that, innit, Chico?
Go in your box, Chico.
So thanks for watching, guys. If you like, please subscribe and hit the like button to see more of my videos. Thank you so much.
It's his first time he's been out in the rain. That part, you can go by there, there's no water there, but he prefers to come by the rain. You like the rain? Get the rain. That's to stay by there, there's no rain there. Like he's seen himself.